Well, welcome to Math 161. This is the online section, and we'll have an online section of 161 in the fall and an online section of 162 in the spring. So it's pretty much organized according to Blackboard. The content is in Blackboard. The videos of the material are on YouTube, but it's all worked through Blackboard. So let's just go to Blackboard. So if you log into Blackboard, you should have this class pre-calculus section D1W. And D1W stands for, well, it doesn't stand for it. Online classes have the designation D, and there's only one online section. So this just gives you a basic idea of what's going on if you forget about this, but it says basically it consists of reading the book, watching the video of the material, and completing the homework assignments associated with that section. Now, after you finish the chapter, you'll take a test, either at the main campus library or at the Rockbridge Regional Center. So let's just look at the syllabus for the class. So you can download this and print it out if you'd like. So, yeah, I'm not sure why it's taking so long here. Oh, here we go. Okay. So I'm just zooming in here a little bit. Here we go. Okay. So you can see my telephone number, my office, and basically what we're going to do in this class. And it looks like I need to zoom out a little bit here. So let me just get a different view. Okay, so here we are. So we're going to cover chapters 1, 2, 3, and 8. And here are some of the objectives. This is just a sample of things. Now, as I mentioned in the email for the textbook, you can get this pre-calculus book 6th edition or higher. If you just happen to know somebody who has a higher edition, you can use that. I will have office hours if you need to come and see me, if you need some help. We could also do online office hours. If you can't make it in, we can I'll show you later what we can do. The homework is you need to have the complete assignment written out. I don't just want the answers, I want to see the work. Grading. So we have an attendance grade here. I'm not sure exactly decide how to handle that. We may go to a 60% tests or 25% homework. I will let you know. Grading scale, STEM point grading scale. Again, attendance for this class is different than an in-person class. And the last couple of pages, you can print this out and look at them. Things about cheating, about withdrawing. So these, you want to read these things because if you need to withdraw, you need to know when that is and what the consequences are associated with that. So if you come back and say, you never told me about that. So read those, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so read through that course of study. Now, if we go down to course content, and I'm just going to move this up here. Course content. The way this is organized is we have assignments for each chapter. And I've done the first 3 chapters. I still have to do chapter 8. So there's basically a description of what you need to do for each section, and they're pretty much all the same. You read the chapter. If there's slight differences in, notice I don't put a section number, because if the additions have slightly different section numbers, you'll be able to do this correctly. So it's called graphs of equations. There's a video. So if you click on that video, it'll open up a YouTube video, and it'll talk about chapter 1, section 1. Okay, so this one's 33 minutes long. So you watch the video, then you have a homework assignment. So we'll click on the homework assignment. So the homework assignments are PDF files. And I don't know why that little dark area is showing up there. I have to look at that. What I would suggest you do is you print out these, or you can still just look at it on the computer, but you're going to need to write out things. So in this case, you're evaluating a function, and you're evaluating a function at 5 values of x, and you're plotting them on a graph. So in this case, you might want to plot it out and use the graph paper that's provided. So you complete those homework assignments. So it doesn't matter which textbooks you have. That's why I'm doing this. Each one has their homework assignment. And if right now I've done the homework assignments for chapter 1. I don't think I've done it for chapter 2 yet. So that's your first section was called Graphs of Equations. 3 parts. Watch the video, read the book, watch the video, do the homework. This is the second section, linear equations in 2 variables. Watch the video, it's right here. Homework assignment, see below. So again, it's a PDF file. You can open up that PDF file. So let's talk about reading and watching the lecture. So I think you should do both of them. I mean, we all learn differently as far as learning styles, seeing it presented 2 different ways. It's good. You need to be able to read math textbooks. So I know you're tempted not to read the book, but read the book. The video, you can pause it and take notes if you need to stop, and you can rewind it, whatever you need to do. And the homework assignment, as I said, if I mention a homework assignment in the videos, don't just disregard that. Click on the homework assignment that's here. That's the one you need to do. And that's specifically, again, so it doesn't matter which edition you have. Everybody gets the same homework assignments. The homework assignments for the online class will be turned in when you take the test. So in approximately 3 to 4 weeks, we'll have the first test. When you take the test, turn in the test, turn in the homework at the same time. I'll go to the library. They'll email me the Rockbridge things. I'll grade the homework. If you need your homework back, if you want the homework back, please come to my office. As far as the tests, there'll be some way you can get the tests. You can either come by my office, or I may end up scanning them in and then sending them to you. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So you can see we go through all these different steps. We end of the chapter. There will be a review that I'll make up. I haven't done that yet for each topic, for each test. So you'll have that. Let's see what I've done here. I think you'll notice I don't have the homework assignments yet in chapter 2, but by the time we get that far, you'll be fine. The final thing is this Zoom link. What the Zoom link does is, if you need to talk to me and you can't come to my office and you want to schedule a time where we can talk about something, if you have a laptop, what this will do is it'll open up my screen. You'll be able to see it, and then I'll be able to use my smartboard software to explain something, and I'll have my headphones. You can hear me on some earbuds or however you want to do it. So the Zoom link is really for you guys. It's for online office hours. Now, I also will be recording and broadcasting the 1 o'clock class, which is on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we'll be talking about the homework assignments at that time. So if you want to just log on to Zoom from 1 to 2:15 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you're welcome to. So that's what that's for. If you need to email me, my email was in the course of study. And if you have any questions, let me know. You don't want to get behind. So if you find yourself not doing the homework on a regular basis, don't wait till the last minute to do it all. You need to do it as you're going through each sequence. So watch the video, do the homework. Just get in that mode. Okay. Hope you do well.